Mbappe. We'll see a lot of good skills and tricks from him, a lot of right stick flicks and tricks. We have Laurent Blanc in midfield as is preferred, and that's the opening, and it is saved. Fortunately, when the original ball was played, I think Pele had strayed offside. He was onside and that's a great volley. He's definitely onside this time. Goes early with the ball. Yes! Oh my goodness! We like to take it. Quite surprising. But hey, he's got the opening. Either way.
Slower. I think you mentioned it before as well. We expect him to start picking up the pace with a random shot, a random goal.
There you go. Surely has to be it. And a very, very well-deserved lead for Kerala Blasters. Lokmanu has been working and chipping away at that defense of Saransh, and he gets his reward. It is a goal that's perfectly worked.
Yeah, but talking about gifting the possession to your opponent, Saransh trying to make sure he doesn't do that, so he gets that last attack, and now
there you go.
Beautiful ball in
lovely.
the ball. Right before halftime as well.
Yeah, just before halftime, and you can see over there that little innovation using the double tap X pass over there just to give it that little elevation so that the player, the defender would not be able to cut it out. And Saransh very much against the run of play, just finding that ball into Eusebio and that lovely almost. And I think maybe this is a deliberate tactic. A lot of times he's seeing a very obvious pass, and what a pass, that was not obvious at all. And that's what you need. That is brilliant from Lokmanu. That innovation, that's exactly what we were talking about. That little chip pass in and the volley from Johan Cruyff. Everyone's fine, no broken legs, so we can continue. And that's a very poor giveaway. And surely this time he just needs to play the through ball into Eusebio, and this will be a goal. And it's saved. It's saved by Van der Sar.
Put the nail in the coffin. The interception was key, but Pele's
still be there. And yes, he has the score. And it's saved. And suddenly there's an overload. It's pretty much 3-on-2 right now. And is Saransh going to make him pay? No, it's well blocked, but a fortunate deflection, and Lokmanu will be so annoyed that Lionel Messi scores with his first touch of the game to see if he can actually come back and get that win which his play has warranted today.
That's a very important point. The mental state is going to be questionable, but
he's got the goal. Lokmanu, he has done it.
Wowzers. And to the cutback, especially just catching Saransh from cutting.
Run for the hills, my friend. Run for that corner flag. He goes for Pele. That's a great ball. And he's found Mbappe. This should be it. And it is. That is the win. On the counter-attack, the sucker punch with the Hawaiian dance from Kylian Mbappe. So maybe a concerted effort to be like, we're not going to give them time to get set, and we just want to bring a little element of chaos into their world. And there you go. That's a great goal. And that is trademark Naveen. Again, Lokmanu on the side saying, it's okay, calm down, it's fine.
Yeah, absolutely. I think for Akshat, his mentality needs to be focusing on just the game in the moment.
Oh, it's in! Goal. It's in!
Beautifully crossed, reaches the Afro man and puts it in immediately.
Yeah, and of course, Lionel Messi being used over there. Right foot of Lionel Messi with the cross. And Ruud Gullit, we've seen a lot of players now starting to use that heading ability. Of course, the height that he brings you over there.
Trying to get back the lead. We see Saransh really be deadly when he gets time on the ball, and that's what he's getting right now.
Oh, that's brilliantly worked by Naveen again, and that's a lovely 1-2. Is he onside? Yes, he is. Let's see what he can do over here. He's got the opening there for Eusebio, but decides to go with Gullit, and it's in. It is in, and you can see over there Akshat saying, why did I not close him down? And this is probably the most annoying celebration to be treated to. Yeah, and of course, like, this will be annoying Akshat to no level, not being able to get the ball, especially when you're trailing. And that could also... Oh, that's brilliant! Oh, that's beautiful! And surely the goal goes near post this time, and just no answer to that. How do you defend that? That is genius from Naveen, and it is 4-1.
Haven't got to see Akshat's play style the way we've seen him play before.
There you go, that's good.
But,
that's well worked. That's lovely from Akshat. That'll do his confidence a world of good. And provided he's not offside, he's not offside. And hang on, 78 minutes. You're losing this one 4-2. It's not the end of the world. And wait, it could be 4-3 over here. He goes for the cross and just a little too far out. I think it could be Lokmanu trying to cross to Gullit. It's Gullit marking Gullit this time, so no Cafu nonsense. And hang on, the balls come straight to him, and he's mishit and scuffed that shot into the goal. And it's gone in. It has gone in. Theo Hernandez apologizing for the And on defense, very important now for Kerala Blasters to remain compact. You can see that they're pressing, cutting out those passing lanes wherever possible. Oh, that's a beautiful roulette!
Oh
And
my-
that is incredible. That is, I think, Saranj just not even looking away from the screen, just raising his fist casually for the bump. And yeah, I think two defenders just taken out of the game completely over there. Very simple, not simple, simple to like do it manually, but to get the timing and the positioning right. Have a look at that. Far, but this has worked well. We can see Pele and Eusebio busting a gut to get inside that box. That's brilliant from Saranj, but well defended using Kafu again.
I think for Kerala Blasters now it's important to control the pressure, possession, not fall to
Oh,
the
hang
pressure.
on,
and
hang
they've
on.
done
That's
so
worked
far.
out well, and it's saved.
Now trying to set up the counter. Pele, sorry,
Oh, hang on.
Eusebio is all the way through, gonna fake it, set up the finesse. And
Oh,
oh my god!
acres of space to Ronaldo to run into, and now with Eusebio, will we see that individual skill, that magic from either Saranj or Naveen?
Oh boy.
Oh, he's working this
Oh.
well, and it's well defended at the time.
Kerala Blasters just compact continuously. You can see the two players controlling, staying close to each other, cutting off those direct passing lanes.
Yeah, they're using those CDMs very well, and that's worked almost perfectly. Chennai decide that they want to have the last attack, or are they going to go for this right now? Oh! And
Oh my
it's in!
God!
It's in! It's Saranj with that brilliant individual genius over there, just bulldozing his way through with Pele. They're not waiting for that last chance. They've taken their chance right now. But we've seen the comeback before. Kerala Blasters FC, what are they going to do? They have one chance, they have one shot to do it now. And just a minute or two of in-game time, maybe less.